Is it possible to make 5,000 using liquidity sweep combined with candlestick psychology and candlestick patterns? In this video, I'm going to show you the cons and pros of this strategy. Make sure you watch the entire video. There will be multiple pro tips for you to enhance your win rate, whether you are experienced trader or beginner. Okay, so I'm going to set the candlestick time. I'm going to be using 30 seconds for this video. Then I'm going to switch this to regular timer and I'm going to select 1 minute. Okay. Nice. I love this trade right here, guys. Now I'm going to show you, for those who don't know how to draw the liquidity sweep levels correctly, I'm going to show you. All right, so what are we looking for mainly? I'm looking for a drop, base, and then another drop. When I see this, when the price breaks this, then it comes back down and then it gives me a engulfing candle like this, or whichever candlestick pattern you use, then I take a trade. Look how clean this trade is going. You see this for yourself, right? This is one of like the most accurate strategy in the trading world. And to be honest with you guys, this was the strategy that really helped me a lot when I was starting out, right? Now just look at that for yourself. See how good this is. I decided to share this strategy to you guys because, you know, I want you guys to see the power of liquidity sweep. Okay, so I took this one right here for one. All right, guys, I have something to say about liquidity sweep, something very important, and I think you don't want to miss this. Also, during this video, I'm going to share about 3 more important stuff, but this one you really need to know this one like right now. So what's the main thing you need to look whenever you find the liquidity area right on the chart, then you mark it. But there's something you need to know, because liquidity sweep, the levels sometimes is not perfect. So what I mean, whenever the price comes inside the area, you have to be careful if the price comes too much in the zone area. So what I'm saying, like for instance, right here was okay enough, but if you see like the price comes all the way like down here or something like that, that might not really be a good trade. Okay, I'm going to show you an example of it if I see it on the chart. Okay, I hope you're getting the understanding. I'm going to share much more stuff which you need to know. Stay tuned. Okay, so I'm going with sellers for 2 trades right here because I saw a nice inside gap right there with the liquidity sweep. Now what I want to say to you guys also is that if you pay attention very closely, you could see that this was a based rally going higher, but it was in a trend, right? But this is a fake trend because it didn't do anything. When I mean anything, it didn't create any movement, strong movement in the market, because the other level is all the way here. So this was just a fake trend reversal movement. And this is things you guys have to know how to differentiate and know how to see before taking trades. Look how the price is dropping. Liquidity sweep, I have my inside gap right there, continuation sign candle, plus I got the trend with me. Okay, and look at that. It's not really that difficult. It's just about understanding and knowing. Once you do that, then everything becomes simple. Nice one. Oh my god, this one is so good. Yes guys, so the beauty why I always say that liquidity sweep is such a beginner friendly strategy, I'm gonna prove something to you. Look at this, right? You notice that I took this liquidity sweep trade, right? You always look on the left side and you take a trade on the right side, okay? But the main reason why I took this was because I see the liquidity sweep. I saw the candlestick pattern forms, right? And for someone who's a beginner, identifying the trend probably be a little hassle at first because you don't know what to do or what to look for. But look at this. Drop, base, drop, drop, base, drop. I'm with the trend automatically. Now this doesn't happen every time, but most times you take liquidity sweep trades, it's with the trend automatically. So this is very beginner friendly for someone who don't know how to identify trends. Okay, oh my, I can't believe it, I missed this beautiful trade and my entry is bad also again. Like, this is so ridiculous. If this trade loses, it's just because it's out. It's just because of I didn't want to miss the trade, to be honest. Let me mark it here to show you where it is. Right here. See this? Drop, base, drop. This is not even that very clean, but it's somewhat, you know, it is what it is. The price came to it, rejected. My entry should have been right there, but yeah. The reason why I still took it was because I saw this candle in continuation format, and I saw the inside, there was a slight breakaway gap. So that's the reason why I still took it. And this is something you guys need to understand. When I'm trading, I factor in a lot of stuff in one trade. I just don't get up and trade randomly, okay? And that's the difference of being profitable and unprofitable. When you're profitable, you factor in a lot of stuff, okay? This will be the end of this session. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.